Hey guys, Dragon's Dirk here, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix that. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take your wire, plug in your controller, and push the button. It will say do that. That didn't work for me, so I mean you can try it, but it didn't work for me. So what you want to do is go ahead and hit cancel. Right, wait for the PS4 just to turn off. Okay, so once your PS4 is turned off, what you want to do is you want to hold in the power button until you hit the second click. That is your signal that this should come up. Okay, safe mode. Okay, next, plug the controller in. Unless you left it plugged in. Okay, what you want to do is you want to initialize PS4 and reinstall system software. I think. Do that. Nope, cancel. Initialize PS4. Yeah, initialize PS4. Not the system data one. Initialize PS4. That'll mean everything's deleted from your PS4, but not a lot you can do. I think that would happen anyway. So we'll initialize your PS4, which basically sets it back to factory settings. Does it pretty quickly, but 50%, 100%. There you go. Then it will switch back to normal PS4 mode. Take a second. Shoot that screen. I think you can see screen. Okay, I'll come back when this is done. Okay, so once you've done that, this will come up. It says updating system software. So let it do that, and then it'll go back to just a black screen, depending on what your TV does when there's no signal. And then you just give it a second. Then it will do this. Okay, plug your controller in, turn your controller on, and you have to go through the setup. So I'm gonna do all this and I'll come back. Okay, and then once you've done that, it's gonna load up this. Just your normal PS4 setup menu. I obviously have to reinstall all my games and stuff. So will you. So what you wanna do, you just wanna go to power, switch user, new user, create a user, accept, next. Well, actually sign into PSN. As soon as that menu loads, just sign in with your regular PSN details. Okay, and then basically once you're back in, you just go to PS4 back. It's annoying to have to go through and reinstall the games you had, but better than having to replace your PS4. So I'm gonna reinstall all my games. Thanks for watching.